Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie project. So in this video I will show you the desmoking and person detection project. User can upload any image file. Let's select this image and it will detect the person and it will desmoke that particular image. Like you can see in the left hand side it will be the smoky image, and in the right hand side this will be the desmoky with the person detection. Okay, it works on the video file. This is the about section, and let's select any video and then click on the open. So it will classify that particular video like desmoky. In the left hand side it will be the smoky, and in the right hand side it will be desmoky. Okay, and if there is any person, then it will detect that particular person like that. And it works on the real-time camera, like from the laptop front camera, or you can add external camera. This will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project idea or projects, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. It will detect the person and it is desmoking the image. This will be the exit button. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.